ground, waiting for the landing. I'm waiting for the landing.
Waiting to get off this damn airplane.
Yeah, I know it's hard being a famous YouTube guy, personality. So, yeah, I'm going to stick with me, guys. Stick with me. Go ahead, hit that like and hit that subscribe button, too.
So that way, next time, we can afford first class instead of economy.
Yeah. Economy's got, like...
This much leg space. This much.
This much, because that means nothing comes between our legs.
Period.
Yeah, not even a period.
We tried.
Oh, we're gonna land. We're gonna land. Oh boy. Ready for this?
I'm ready.
What's for dinner?
Pork.
Pork. Oh, you feel that one?
You got your parachute?
I told them I'd skydive from this distance, but they were like, eh.
You're too famous. We don't want you to.
Yeah. Yeah. It's $5.99 for a bag of M&Ms on this airplane. $5.99 for a bag of M&Ms on this airplane. Well, that was a dollar store. It was probably a $6 store. Dollar store is probably a $6 store, yeah. Oh, there's a school bus. Oh, there's the YMCA. Oh, that's not the YMCA. Never mind. There's Kimona Hula Hula Bada Bada. Come on, put some butter on your brother. Woo, you feel that? That's the head change you get when you. She says she got a poo. Oh, here we go. I want to record this landing. What goes? Gonna do this. OGG Airport, OMGG. Here we hit the ground right about. Ah. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, talking about infant stop. Oh, kids are crying, they're scared. A baby just flew up the front. They grabbed him by
Good
his...
afternoon and welcome to Kahului, Maui. Local time is 10 minutes past noon.
Oh,
We
there
will
we
be
go.
passing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed.
We'll be back later with more
Until the
videos.
seatbelt sign